All right, y'all, it's confession time. So I've been 3D printing now for about 3 months. I like it because there's all kinds of cool shit you can find online or design yourself and you can print at home. But unfortunately, it's not all sunshines and rainbows. So I've been trying to do a lot of dragons and snakes and stuff like that lately, and they just haven't been working. All right, so what I've got going right here, I'm trying to do a skeleton dragon. This is now the, I want to say, 5th or 6th time that I'm trying to run this thing. So I'm hoping it'll work out this time. But more often than not, they've been ending up kind of like this, getting cut short. Some of the ribs are jacking up on them, and they're just falling apart. I've also got some stuff like these really long 36-inch snakes, or dragons, whatever you want to call them. They've been having some issues as well, stopping before the print finishes. You can see that there. So the question is, what do we do with all this crap whenever it doesn't work out? Short answer is, it goes to the box of shame. There's probably about, I don't know, $150, $200 worth of scrap material in there from filled prints. Some of it might be able to do something with. I'm trying to melt it down, turn it into the filament skulls that are on our website. But today, with the skeleton dragons really pissing me off, I decided to take it another step further, and I'm going to show you what I was doing with those.